With the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Samsung is taking a different approach. With each passing day, the company continues to surprise us, and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the latest surprise. Remember when I mentioned that the Galaxy Z Fold 5's release date had been changed and that Samsung would be returning to its original location? Well, the company will hold an event for the device in Seoul, South Korea, on July 27th rather than July 26th, and the phone will be available in stores from August 7th to August 11th. However, a new major rumor has surfaced that Samsung will hold two events for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 launch. Even Samsung has announced that the first one will take place in Seoul, South Korea, on August 11th. Despite the fact that today is a typical day for Samsung to release inexpensive gadgets, this launch is a little odd since everyone who wants a phone may easily view it before it is released. But it is true, and it will take place with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, as well as with all other gadgets, such as the Z Flip 5, Tab S9, and Galaxy Buds. We're all worried about the battery life since there have been rumors that the Z Fold 5 would have a larger battery in the past, but all of them use the same 4400 mAh power battery. A new display technology will be added by Samsung as well, one that is brighter than previous models. If you receive a new technology, it will undoubtedly use less battery power. People still ask me whether the cover display is becoming wider, and I always respond, yes, look at this. Can you see the difference? In the end, there isn't much of a difference between the 4:4 and the 4:5 other than the hinge, which is smaller and more attractive on the 4:5 but doesn't make it wider than the 4:4. The cover display will be the same size as the 4.5 7.6-inch inner display. This much higher cover display is included for a purpose, maybe to improve phone gripping, and you can unfold your phone to reveal a larger display when necessary. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has received a number of changes, including a better hinge with the highest level of durability, which is something we were all hoping for. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.